Judge Glamham, have you been following the two astronauts who've been stuck in space for months now? Sonny and Butch? Well, as if they didn't have enough to worry about, now they're hearing strange noises. And they literally called Houston, kind of to say, we have a problem. Let's hear it.
Houston's with you, Butch. Go ahead.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker, and I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me keep mic and let you hear. I don't know what's making it.
All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
All right, over to you. Tell us if you figure it out.
Yep, good.
Well, because to me, this sounds like a submarine. I couldn't help but think of last year's Titan sub. And you remember how reports came in from the Canadian Air Force of a knocking sound? We all had the hope that that was from the sub. Here's what that sounded like. I won't lie, I have a not good feeling in the pit of my stomach about this one on the Starliner, given how many problems Boeing has had and that the astronauts are literally stuck in space. Something obviously isn't going well. They had helium leaks. My thoughts on it, some actual mechanical hardware, like that is literally tapping on metal in the ship, or frequency interference. But the strange thing with that is these astronauts should know what that is. I mean, they're up there in space by themselves. What could be interfering with them? Starlink? Other spacecraft? Let me know what you think. See you in the comments. Take care.